What's up, guys? Welcome to the Any Level Part 6 build. As you guys saw in the last video, we got the hydraulic arms moving up and down. We did some more bleeding to it, and if you guys haven't seen that video, make sure to go back and rewatch our whole series. We're doing a full part series, so part number 5 is the last series where we did that. Since then, we just did this today. Ryan got a couple clips, but we basically lowered the truck onto these big 10-ton jack stands. And what this is going to allow us to do is be able to install our forelink without it hitting any of the arms or anything like that. So we're pretty much at that point. In today's video, we're going to start on this rear axle, getting the upper mounts and lower mounts basically sandwiched into the axle, and then installing our forelink. We're going to start with the rear axle. We're basically going to bolt these brackets in. There's an upper bracket and a lower bracket. And what this is going to allow us to do is mount our forelink, mount our coilovers, and that's really exciting stuff. We are making serious headway finally with this suspension kit. As you guys saw, we've got the forelink mounted up. Went super smoothly. Actually, one little quick feature of these, they actually have an adjuster collar, so you don't have to take these all apart to do alignments, which is really cool. But super happy with how everything bolted together, how everything fits. We're going to get our coilovers in. Once our coilovers are in, we can actually lift the axle off the ground with the hydraulics, which is pretty crazy that you can do that. Once the coilovers are in, it's just going to be kind of getting all the final pieces together. So as you saw, we just got our full 4-link in the front and the rear completed. We did all the measurements perfectly according to what AnyLevel wants. That's kind of a starting point. We'll get to the alignment a little bit later, but right now what we're going to do is we're going to go through and torque our full 4-link, and once that's all torqued, then we're going to install our coilover mounts in the front and then get our coilovers in front and rear, and those have already been pre-assembled and pre-adjusted, so that will make our life go a lot easier. And then that will kind of wrap up today's video. But as you guys can see, the truck's really coming together now. We're really excited about the progress, and we're just really excited to share this with you guys, and wanted to say thank you for watching these videos. But yeah, let's get to torquing. Thank you guys for making it to the end of this video. Smash that subscribe button, turn on the notifications. You guys don't want to miss out on any of these videos, especially once we get this truck finished. You guys are definitely going to want to see the final product, so don't miss out on that video. Leave a comment. We want to hear some feedback from you guys if you guys are enjoying the videos, if there's a way that we should change it or do something different. And other than that, we'll see you guys in the next video for some King coilovers.